guys, welcome back. So, time to, yeah, you can see it's got some light. So, it's finally time to replace that mirror, as well as that one. But, so, Mom just said that breakfast is ready. So, obviously, gotta go eat. I also found my camera, so, but it's kind of dead right now. So, hopefully, while I'm inside eating, it'll have time to charge up, and I can use 2 cameras this time. So. Alrighty guys, so we got breakfast ate, and now it's time to finally start getting the mirrors on. To put those mirrors on, to replace that, supposedly we gotta take all of that off, the whole door panel. So, I guess we get to it. Which one do I want to use today? Let's see here. That should work. Ooh, like that. Okay. Okay, so I was having some a little bit of issues taking this off. So, you know, you just gotta love YouTube. You know, get ready to make a YouTube video, and you have to get on YouTube to see exactly how to do stuff. Some people don't have any idea how much people go through to try to get like that money shot. Got my phone held up by my sunglasses, try to keep that angle. Pretty weird. Maybe the previous owner maybe did something in here, because that plastic vapor shield, whatever, there's no stick to it. So I don't know if either somebody has already been in here and did something, I don't know, but oh well. Should make it a little bit easier for us now, so we can get our extra wire. See it all the way down there. Not sure if you can see that very well. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that wire right there. And then we can run it through the door right there, and then we can run it into the cab and then wire it up. Let's start taking that mirror off, and so that we can get the new one on. So, use normal socket or whatever you want to call these. You can't do anything. You won't get far enough on there. So, little thing I've got, little tool. I'm not going to show you the brand just because, you know, copyright or whatever people want to say. But I got this tool, and some of you might be able to tell the brand just by looking at it. But you can see it goes straight through, goes all the way through, even through up here. So you can have super long bolts and a nut at the bottom, and you can still get that nut off. Yeah, it doesn't matter how far it is, you can still get it off. So, as you can see now, okay, this wire harness is one of mess with me, but I can get it on there now. And boom, I can turn it. Okay, so I got it out, got bolt holes out, my connector, it looks pretty clean. And so let's come around here. Yeah, what I'll probably do, wow, I'm sorry, there's kind of glare on that for you guys. Probably try to clean that up a little bit, just because. And then we will get our new mirrors out and put those on. And then also, I lost a clip right there. It goes right there. So while I'm putting this mirror on, I will probably put some glue on that to get it to hold on there. That way I'll have some time to dry and cure before I go to put it back on. So, alrighty. Okay guys, so I just brought this door panel back here to the tailgate, kind of so I can put the glue on it. And upon further inspection, it appears as though somebody definitely did take this off. And when they did it, I think they broke this one off before. So you can see it kind of looks like they hot glued it maybe, or put some sort of glue on there. Yeah, that looks like hot glue. But then if you look at all the other ones, oh, there's there, and that doesn't really look like it. Maybe a little bit, not really. Yeah, you can see all these others. And they all look pretty good. Alrighty, so got a lot of that hot glue scraped off, and I've glued it back on. Just gotta let that kind of dry and sit and everything. However, upon further review, I believe I figured out why they had took this door off. So if you look right here on the tweeter, it appears as though they have resoldered that. You can see kind of heat burnings and stuff, whatever, right there. And you can also see this capacitor is kind of a little messed up, I guess, kind of. Alright, so I got my mirror off, obviously, and everything. I've cleaned this off a little bit. However, when I was cleaning, you can see right there, there's a couple spots where the paint had kind of bubbled up, which around here means rust. So you got all that bubbled up and everything. Kind of scraped that off, and now I got me some primer, and I want to put that on there to kind of protect the metal, and then we will put the new mirror on. Alrighty, so I got some of my holes kind of primered a little bit as well. I got a new wire in here. I'm basically going to run it underneath and everything, run it through, up, over, so I can tap in everything over there underneath the steering wheel. The black ground wire, however, I am going to ground out using this bolt right here. Just going to scratch off some of the paint on the other side of this. You can see I got all that primered up. I got my new wires, whatever, connected, got it grounded out, got them running down here and up and then through the boot. Now I've got it right up here. So next Gotta take this door trim off. Gotta get that up, or off a little bit, so we can get this little corner off. Since we are doing wiring and anything, here's that wiring diagram. I promised I would show you yesterday, but I never did. So, and it is these wires that we are wiring up right now. These wires are already right here and came from the factory. Pretty much got the wire ran down and through. I got it tucked up there. Kind of comes down, and then I just got to pull it through on the other side, and it'll be over there. So now it's time to unmask it. Alright, so right now I'm just going to stop on this side, and I'm going to go over and do the driver's side really quickly. I'm probably not going to film it for sake of time, but it's going to be pretty much the same procedure and all that. So I will see you like right about now. Driver's side done. I'll go around and show you that more in a minute. Here's passenger side again. I did go ahead and trim this ground wire. Got wire ran all the way down through and over. Yep, so you can see down here. Yeah, I trimmed this ground wire up too a little bit. This side was essentially the same as the other side, other than this one you have two other wire harnesses, because you have more controls. So yeah, but I ran that wire with those wires down and through, and up through here and over, brought it down. So now I just have both of the wires right here. Now I'm just going to get my zip ties out, and I'm going to zip tie and kind of organize this mess a little bit. Then I'm going to put door panels on, and then we will tap those into the turn signal and backups. So I'm just going to talk really quickly so that maybe while I'm showing you I can just speed it up to kind of speed the whole thing up. So basically I went through and I zip tied. I didn't try to do like perfect, but I tried to do a pretty good job. And then I'm going to go back and between videos I'm going to go and get a little bit of primer like around there and anything that I scratched up. I'm going to go get some tape, kind of tape that up a little bit to hopefully try to seal it a little bit better, since almost all the stickiness is off of all this. Alright, so just one little issue I ran into. I did this on the other side and I already fixed it, but right here, what I did, I brought the wire down and through and back up and everything. Try to kind of keep it organized. I've got, this is a hole that those little things are seat on there. So what I end up having to do, just kind of take it, just kind of pull it to the side, and it has just enough room to be able to slip down there. Alright, so got mirrors on, everything obviously, door panels, everything back on. Let's see, I even got all these, and yeah, I got all that done. Now it's time to wire up all of these. Alrighty, so we got everything wired up, and now let's officially test it. So, right turn signal. Left. Hazards. Hey guys, so I just want to thank you for watching this video. If you liked this and enjoyed it, then please like and subscribe. Please also make sure to share with all your friends. And I've been meaning to post this video a couple days ago. However, I have a challenge for you guys. If I can get, let's say 20 likes by tonight at midnight, aka New Year's, I will go ahead and post the video of me tearing off my mirror and the whole accident and everything. I know this might be a little bit of a challenge to get that many likes and everything in that short time. However, I think we can do it. So, smash the hell out of that like button and keep sharing and subscribe. And come back for more videos later. Okay, one more quick thing. I want to apologize for two things really quickly. One, I apologize that I wasn't able to get music in the in those like blank spaces and the time lapses. I've tried YouTube Editor and anything, tried to get some of the songs on there, and it's being stupid. And as well as the computer is also being stupid. So, I'm working on trying to get some music in there playing, so it's not just awkward blank space. And I'm also apologize for all the time that it takes to watch these videos. I'm trying to work on both of those and get them both fixed, but you might just have to hang with me for a little bit. So, if you just keep coming back and watching these videos, then you can see how much progress I make. So, thank you.